Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. Ron here at Lame Duck Studios. And in this tutorial, we're going to continue on with our elf running through the tunic. And you can see I went ahead and changed the belt out. I did not like the projection mapping we did from the previous video, so I went ahead and just picked a darker brown and kind of added it on. So what I did is I separated the belt onto its own layer, away from the buckle, and I just erased the buckle portion. So what's kind of nice about separating this into layers is you can see I'm on the belt layer now. As I paint, if I paint over the buckle, for example, because this belt layer is underneath the buckle, we won't see any of that, right? We can kind of hide, which is kind of nice because I can paint over a loop, but the loop is part of the pants. The pants is on top, right? So that's all I did. I went through and just kind of painted away what I wanted, or painted what I wanted and kind of separated the layers out. So I have this looking a lot nicer with that darker brown. There's that gold buckle. And then we're going to work on the tunic. Okay, so this I'm going to do sort of like an off-white color, that rustic off-white. So make a new layer. This is going to be, you can call it shirt or whatever. So shirt, I think I'm going to have the shirt underneath the pants. Kind of has to be for this to work. So underneath the pants, underneath the buckle, I'll actually put it under the belt as well. That way I can kind of tuck it under. And then for my color, I'm going to do an off-white, so I'm going to grab white. And then an off-white is a little bit toward like a yellow tan, but not quite. That's probably close enough. Yeah, that's a good color. I'm on my own layer, so I can go ahead and just start painting away. And I'm also going to do this layer. Go ahead and hit OK. Let's put this all the way under the skin layer. And the reason for that is now I can paint and they can't mess up the skin. So even if I paint outside onto the hand, I don't have to worry about messing up the skin. So I can be very generous with my painting. Well, bam! And the tunic is, well, roughed in. Look at that. That was quick. Now it's just a matter of going and doing some fine-tuning, like, oh, if you wanted to have more separation on the skin, you could raise this a little bit so it's not so direct. So if I go into sculpting, grab my sculpt brush, tone this down some, I'll come in right here. What's my level 1? Oh, that's a lot. Take that down to like 0.25. Have like a layer. And I'll just very gently blend that in with my smooth. That way it doesn't look like it's just fading in to the color. Back of the neck's not as important because it's going to be hidden with the hood. And then I can kind of come in on my layers here, grab my paint. Let's look for my erase brush. I'll grab the skin layer. And I will erase away from here. Go back to my shirt layer, grab my color. There we go. There's that. I guess I probably should make these laces a little bit prettier, huh? Laces tend to be a little braided. I guess I could do what I do with the hair. I can get a fabric pattern and paint that on. which I might do in some parts of this, but this is fine. Let's go ahead, I'm just going to use the stamp. I'm just trying to imitate that corded look. This is not the best way of doing it. The better way of doing this would be to be very patient with it. Actually, I don't like that. Let's stop it at about here. You can add other features like patches to the clothing, like maybe it's got tears in certain spots. You can also do like stains and whatever not. But I think this will do for the tunic for me. I'm going to go ahead and save it here. And the next one will take care of the boots, and then we'll do the hair. Alright, go ahead and save it, and I shall see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. Misty and I both thank you. If you've enjoyed the video you just watched, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, make sure you leave them down in the comments. I upload new content every Sunday, and I release content every Wednesday. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, I do have a Patreon. Get content early. I also have official merch, Lame Duck Studio merch. It does exist. They do exist. So make sure you stick around for anything new, and I will see you next time.